Okay, let's go for a walk. No, I said put them on the floor.
I want to.
Hey. What have you got to say for yourself?
Having a fun day at the beach.
Wow, it's filled up now. This is where we park. Stay with me, hon, please. There we go. We're past that one, number 2. Well, we got here this morning at about 8:30, and it is now packed, and it's about 11:30, I think. Ooh, the tide is coming in now. Huh? Why? There's a boat tour coming out, and they got that floating tiki hut. Another beautiful day at the beach with my beautiful wife and little girl laughing, watching us filming ourselves. So life is good. Hopefully one day we'll be doing this in Portugal, where the ocean will be a good 15-20 degrees cooler, but that's okay. We can manage. I started out with cold ocean. I guess I can end my life with cold ocean. but it has been fantastic living in this area. We need to come here and do this a lot more. It's crazy. We live 45 minutes away and we hardly ever come. But today is Memorial Day, when we honor our fallen soldiers, and sailors and whatever, Air Forcemen, airmen. And yeah, we're just grateful for their service. They get to no longer enjoy this. Anyway, I love being married to this amazing woman of mine. So, you know, life is good.
Sure is.
Okay, adios. Adios. So this is, yeah, it is. I'll tell you, this is where you see how powerful the ocean is. Just a small wave will take your feet from under you. I know. I don't think we've ever been on this pier, have we? Nothing. Looks like a little shop there. Yeah, it's huge. I don't know if you have to pay to go on it.
It's nice to see how clear this water is.
Are you joking?
No, I mean, that's lovely.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's why they call it Clearwater. Got a big slide over there. Memorial Day.